What's up, nerds? It's Mr. Storm, and we're going to talk today about how to complete the Computer Basics Hardware assignment. This is the first assignment you need to complete for this class, and it's a good one. It is a good one. This assignment is just to get a baseline about how much you know about computers and what they are and the difference between hardware and software and the different parts of computer and the different kinds of computers that are out there. So the best part about this assignment is that it is super easy, just like most of these assignments. The description here is the Computer Basics hardware slideshow is incomplete. Oh no. Use the information in the following lessons to complete the presentation. You are free to watch the videos, read the material at your own pace, and ask any questions you have. When you're done filling out the presentation, turn it in here for credit. The assignment is due before midnight tonight. So I've provided you with all the information you need to complete this assignment. All of these are essentially links to web pages that have all the information you need. So for example, what is a computer? There's a bunch of text here and videos, and I've tried really hard to make sure that this assignment is accessible for many different kinds of learners. If you're the kind of person that likes to read, there's tons of text. If you're the kind of person that likes to watch videos that explain in a little bit more of a visual way, there are videos. You can use any resources you'd like, by the way. You don't have to just use mine. You can use any resources you'd like on the internet to complete this assignment. But you're going to go through and you're going to read the information in these in these links. You're going to play whatever little games or interact with these lessons as however you see fit. For example, some of them have little pop-out information buttons here that you can click on and learn more about things. And after you're done learning everything that you can, you're going to want to click on this Computer Basics Hardware Google Slides document down here. Okay, this is going to be the last thing in the stack of information, right? So this stack here, these are all lessons that will help you to complete the assignment, which is this guy right here. Computer Basics Hardware is your assignment. And when you click on it, it's going to open up Google Slides, and it's going to open up this document, and this document is going to be your specific version of the document, okay? You're not going to be opening up a document that everyone will be working on together. You're working on your specific instance of this document. And so to indicate that it's yours, you're going to want to put your name in here on the first slide. Okay. Now, anywhere you see red text like this, red capitalized text, that's where you need to fill in the information. Okay. We don't want any red text left on our slideshow when we're done. So we're going to put in your name, and then you're going to go to the next slide and finish filling out this information, right? So item name. So what is this item? What's that item? What's this? What's that? What's that? And then descriptions about each. Now, you're going to want to be very careful not to copy and paste this information. Remember, plagiarism isn't just for research papers, okay? You do not want to plagiarize information on these assignments, okay? I want to know what you think this item is. This obviously, this first one, is a desktop computer. I don't want you to go over to, say this thing here and go, oh, desktop computer, and then just copy and paste this paragraph. That is not what we're doing. You're stealing someone else's work. What I want you to do is read this. Many people use desktop computers.
Bill, it's in the building. Can you come to the front office, please? Bill, please come to the front office.
Sorry about the announcement. So you're going to read the paragraph here and go, okay, I kind of know what that is, and then go back and give me what you think a desktop computer is. Then you can change the font, you can change the size of the text, you can change whatever you need to make sure it stays on the page. And so when you're done with this slide, you're going to move to the next one. You're going to give me, what is this short description? What is this short description? What is this short description? And what is this short description? Same thing. Computer ports. We're going to look at these computer ports. Now, some of these are a little bit difficult to see, but if you look at it closely, you can definitely tell what I'm pointing at. Just follow the arrow, and you'll see that right there, I'll give you a freebie, that right there is the power button. right? That's the on-off button. But you can see what we're pointing at. And if it's kind of hard, just give it a good stab, see what you can, try to get as close as you can to what you think it is. Okay, internal components, these are all internal components of the computer. And again, I'm here, so if you have any questions, you can ask. If you're not quite sure what this thing is pointing to or whatever, you just let me know. Now when you're done filling out all this information and you're finished with the assignment, when you go back to Google Classroom, there will be an option to turn in the assignment. And Google Classroom will already know what assignment you're trying to turn in. It's pretty awesome like that. So it'll see that, hey, you're trying to turn, this assignment is attached to this, this document is attached to this assignment. We'll go ahead and turn in that assignment. So it's pretty easy, pretty intuitive, pretty great. Now, when you're done with the assignment, if you have time left in class, I encourage you to go over to where I have all my other computers, my demonstration computers, pull them apart, look in the inside, compare the information that you learned today with what you have in front of you. See if you can find where the RAM is, where the CPU is. Start really thinking about this stuff that you probably have never thought about before, because the more you understand from today, the easier it is going to be to complete the other assignments for the rest of this class. Now, I try to start out with something easy. Hopefully you enjoy the assignment. Hopefully it's something that you've not done before, but hopefully it's not boring. Do as well as you can. And thank you very much, and I will see you next time.